Hello, John Talley here with Partzilla.com. In this video, we're going to show you how to bring the engine around to top dead center on your compression stroke, and then show you how to set the valve lash on a 2017 Yamaha Raptor 700R. Not that tough to do. Let me go grab a couple of tools, and then I'll show you how to do it. You do need to pick up a set of feeler gauges, and if you want to make your life a whole lot easier, go ahead and pick up one of these little adjustment tools. It is so easy to use, as you will see. If you need help gathering up the parts for your build, why don't you check the link in the description below, and that'll give you the exact shopping list for this particular engine. Now that you've got your special tools, we can head over and get this little project done. So let's go. So this is pretty easy to do, and as you can tell, I've already got the access plates and plugs pulled for both the valves, the camshaft, then the crankshaft bolt, as well as your little inspection window down here. And that's going to show you the edge of the flywheel, which we're going to look for a particular mark that's going to represent top dead center, and it is signified by just an I. As we're bringing around the crankshaft, you will know if you're on the compression stroke or not when this mark right here is pointing straight up. So let's start bringing our crankshaft around, turning it counterclockwise. And if you're watching in here, the mark we're looking for is actually that one right there. I can tell you that this is not the compression stroke because the mark on the camshaft is not pointing straight up. So we want to keep going. Now we're looking for it again. We're getting close. All right, that's not the one you want. It looks like an H. You're going to be a little bit past it right there. We're dead on it, and we're at top dead center of our compression stroke with that mark facing to the top of the head. Told you it was going to be simple. Now to do this, you want the engine to be cold, and I don't think this one can get much colder than it is right now, as we're in the middle of doing a build. And what we're looking for on the intake is 0.1 millimeters, and on the exhaust, 0.18. And now you've got a little bit of a variance there. You can go from 0.09 to 0.11 on the intake, and the same thing on the exhaust. You can go to 0.17 to 0.19. But we're going to aim for that right in the middle, and we're going to start with the intake at 0.1 millimeters. And as I mentioned earlier, it's probably one of the best tools out there for doing this particular procedure. I'm going to slide the gauge up under there, and we're going to bring it down. And what you're looking for here is you don't want to crush it, but you just want to have a little bit of stiction on it to where it takes just a little bit of effort to pull it through. So not grabbing it to where you can't move it and actually denting it. You just want to barely have it make contact with it and just a little bit of pressure, but you can still move it. Now once you've got it set, you hold that top section still, and then you bring the bottom section in to actually tighten that lock nut without allowing that top section to move, the actual adjustment part. I mean, trying to do this with a pair of needle nose pliers and a wrench, it's almost impossible. This, well worth the money. All right, that's one side done. Let's go for the other. All right, it's got it. Make sure it's not too tight. That should do. Let's go ahead and tighten that in. Easy. Next, let's find our 0.18, and then we'll take care of the exhaust. All right, that's got it. Let's back off a tick. I can still move it. So easy. Now I'm happy. I told you this was going to be simple to do. Well, listen, if you need any parts or tools for your machine, why don't you come see us at partzilla.com and we can get you taken care of. Having a little trouble following this? Have any questions or comments? Leave them in the section below and I'll do my best to answer them. We just want to say thanks for shopping here with us at Partzilla, and we will see you in the next video. Have a great day.